If you have been trading last week and looking to buy the euro dollar from different points, I hope you have not made huge losses, especially if you are using DCA, dollar cost averaging strategy, without much planning, because last week I've said that euro dollar, I'm looking for a shorting opportunity for mid to long term. All right, so let's have a look on the euro dollar on the weekly chart and have a quick refresh. Why do I say so? So last week on the weekly chart, I saw that there's a retest of the previous structure high. And if you find that this high was broken, then your definition of a broken structure might not be the most effective way. I saw there's a RSI divergence and I alerted a potential shorting opportunity. Definitely not looking to buy, doesn't mean that I will short immediately. To the daily chart and 4-hour chart, and as a time frame goes, even there are buying opportunity, my main focus is to look for a selling opportunity for a mid to long term trading opportunity. That doesn't stop me for any buying opportunity should those opportunity shows up itself, because I can use it as a counter trend trading opportunity as well. All right, so on the daily chart, what you can see over here, indeed we have a break and close above the high, but of the higher time frame is telling us a different story, so we have to be very careful. And at the same time, what we can see over here, an immediate bearish candle appear. We call them the railway candlesticks formation. Apart from that, there isn't any more test and creating of a new and close above the high of 1.1077. To the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. On the recent week, we can see that new structure low has been made. But first, we have to see where is the important support, which is this level, because this is the move that created a new high over here. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we have on the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we are in a bearish move right now. 4-hour is still bullish. Daily is bullish, and weekly chart is bullish as well. So why do I say that I'm looking for a shorting opportunity for a mid to long term? Basically, the biggest clue came in on the retest of structure with RSI divergence. So if you'd like to learn more about trading, you can scan these QR codes over here and you'll be introduced to our students portal over here. And once you have verified your account under the verify channel at the bottom, click the emoji, the 100 emoji sign, and you can go to the Traders Cafe. You can chat with other traders over here and click the pin message over here to redeem your free training. So once you click this link, you'll be ushered to our students portal. Over here, you get to redeem your free training and you will able to read the trends the way we are reading. At the same time, you also will be learning strategy that you can apply right away to execute those trades. And if you scroll down further, it gives you a good idea on what kind of traders we are. The trades that we focus often produce a 2-1 ratio, and those are the trades I'll be sharing. Here and there, I will be sharing trades that the second target doesn't give a 2-1 ratio, and the reason I share those because to me those are valid trades. And I see that there is a higher probability of the first target being hit. Although this kind of setup are rare, most of our trades are more than 2:1. So why this is important? Because by having a 2-1 ratio, it gives you an edge over other traders when you're trading or over trading itself. Because you will just need a 40% accuracy rate if you apply the risk management the right way. So if this is something that interests you, by spending 50 minutes a day, focus on the process, knowing that you will see profitable results at the end of the year, then drop us a DM. Let's head back to our weekly chart and let me share with you what are the trading setup last week. This was the retest of the previous high. First level of support, or rather, should a shorting opportunity being took place for a mid to long term trading opportunity. Targets, I'm looking at 1.0544 for the first target, and of course at this level I'll observe if the support is broken. If yes, the support has been broken, I will keep the trade for a bit longer. If not, then I might consider to exit my second target earlier than usual. So the daily chart, Some of the strategies includes a buying opportunity for counter trend traders at support 1.0533 or at the bullish shark completion at 0.9895. I do have some shorting opportunity within this chart, but it is still a bit too early to say. Maybe I'll be sharing it in a few weeks time, because this is on daily chart. For the selling opportunity I'm looking for to form up, it will take some time. 34-hour chart, this is what we have, ABCD patterns, and this is very normal for ABCD pattern to slide down, and that is why slide beyond the entry price. This is why it's important to wait for confirmation candle before engaging the trade. So if you're looking for a buying opportunity, certain things you want to look for is a break and close above 1.0875 and came back down, a retest of this support if it's possible, and see some form of a divergence coming up. And in this case, you might want to wait for a retest of the low price and see how things goes from there. Personally, I do not suggest for any buying opportunity of the 4-hour chart right now. As you can see, the bearish movement are pretty strong, and it's true that the ABCD pattern has been broken. To the 1-hour chart, I'm looking for a shorting opportunity for mid to long term. So one of the way is to rely on a retest on the previous support, turn resistance at 1.0901 as a key resistance setup. Some of a better confirmation includes a double retest over here with a RSI divergence to head in for a selling opportunity, and first target will head into the previous low. If this is the way that you love to learn to trade in a structured and predictable manner, rather than, well, the stops and targets, will see if it hit those levels and what kind of setup or candlesticks formation before make a decisions, which is a very subjective. The rules are not laid out right in front of you. If you want rules and trading strategies being laid out, the plan being laid out before it actually happens, drop me a note and we'll schedule a call to see if you're ready to be coached before accepting you as our students.